So what is this?
This one is castor oil.
Okay.
10 ml of castor oil.
10 ml.
Yeah.
This looks like beetroot powder.
Yeah.
And that
is
looks like
beeswax.
wax.
Yeah. Beetroot powder and beeswax. This double boil and pour it.
Okay. So this is castor oil.
Yeah, castor oil.
Half spoon of beetroot powder.
Yeah.
Okay.
And mix it well. Beeswax.
We're gonna add the.
Beeswax.
Okay. So oh, it's both separate.
Yeah, separate. That one is all melting.
And then you're gonna add this into that.
Yeah, pour it. Pour it.
Okay, you have to just pour it on top of that like that itself.
Yeah. After 20-30 minutes finish, you can apply on your lips.
Oh, after 20-30 minutes.
Yeah, because this time is very hot.
The lip balm, I can use it after 20-30 minutes.